In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can download the Tubi app on Android. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to download the Tubi app on your Android is really straightforward and simple. All you need to do is open up the Google Play Store. Once you're on the main page of the Google Play Store, tap on Search Apps and Games, and then you just want to type in Tubi, just like that, and then click on the top result. Now you'll be able to see it right there, Tubi, and this is actually early access. So you can click on to Tubi early access, and then you can just hit on the install button, and then that'll go through the process of installing the application right now, as you can see. And then once that has fully completed, you may get this message where it says app protection, install anywhere, probably because it's early access. Just click on install anywhere and you'll have the Tubi app on your phone. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.